Good evening, viewers. You are tuning into Darshan Meghalaya, and now we bring to you today's news bulletin. Before heading to the details, here's a glimpse of the headlines. Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council clears 2024-25 surplus budget by voice vote. Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council sanctions work orders for 9 check gates. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma renews vow to fight drug menace on International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. And Shillong comes alive with tribal rhythms at Rasong Music Festival. The news in detail. The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council on Thursday passed a surplus budget of Rs 5.24 lakh for 2024-25 with estimated revenue of Rs 227.53 crore and expenditure pegged at Rs 227.48 crore. The budget was approved via voice vote after grand demands were finalized. Opposition MDCs staged a brief walkout objecting to Chairman Strong Pillar Kharjana's ruling that only 5 members who registered on time could join the budget discussion. They returned when Finance Executive Member Seiborlang Warba responded during the session. The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Executive Committee on Wednesday announced the issuance of work orders for 9 check gates and 10 toll gates. Executive Member in Charge Trade, Winston Tony Lingdor, clarified that lessee allotments were made based on applications received due to time constraints that prevented a formal tender process. Speaking during the question hour of the Council's summer session, Lingdor noted that the gates aim to curb illegal trading by non-tribal commercial transporters. The Council expects to generate approximately Rs 9.80 lakh annually from these check gates. Shillong marked the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking with a state-level program led by the Social Welfare Department in collaboration with Meghalaya Police, DREAM and MAX. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma attended as the chief guest, reaffirmed the state's commitment to combating drug abuse through awareness, enforcement and rehabilitation. Social Welfare Minister Paul Lingdor emphasized community engagement in fighting substance abuse. A key highlight was the signing of an MOU between DREAM and Chetna to boost collaborative efforts in prevention and recovery.
Shri Ferdinand Pale, Shri Richard, Shri Tony Milton.
We all understand that the issue of drugs is beyond or is larger than simply the supply chain. And therefore, aspects of health is very crucial. Aspects of social issues, the rehabilitations, the counseling, and all the other activities involved in it are also a major part of ensuring that we're able to tackle in a holistic manner this entire issue of drugs that we are facing.
In the individuals, including Silom James, the owner of the house rented to Vishal Singh Chauhan, and 2 others identified as Balia Ahirwar, who worked as a security guard, and Lokendra Singh Tomar, a resident of Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and the owner of the flat at Devas Naka, where Sonam Raghuvanshi, accused as the prime suspect in the murder of Raja Raghuvanshi, was hiding, arrived in the state capital on Thursday. Authorities confirmed they are scheduled to be produced before a district court later in the day. Further legal proceedings are awaited. Minister of Water Resources Kamingwan Imban yesterday inaugurated the office of the Executive Engineer Water Resources in Maukarwat, Southwest Khasi Hills. He expressed hope that the new office would enhance services in the district and urged officers to support local communities and ensure smooth implementation of various schemes. Imban also emphasized the need for departmental coordination and environmental conservation, warning of dire consequences if water sources continue to dwindle. The event was attended by local MLAs, senior officials and community leaders.
Nama kata kadau kami ini ke ukro. Lagi bakla kan oi. Wakal air ni hap ukro. Sejak kami ring beriak musim margas ni. Lagi bakla ni hap ukro. Kani dapat hap. Nama dandala dari wei arban yada ini. Tang naka dau jong ki cloud sa.
Cabinet Minister and MDA spokesperson Paul Lyngdoh on Thursday appealed to pressure groups to handle sensitive matters like the interstate boundary dispute with care. Addressing the recent Lakpangab incident, he assured that Deputy Chief Minister Prestun Tinsong is actively engaged and that the government is coordinating with Assam to resolve the matter. Lyngdoh emphasized that the issue has persisted for decades and urged stakeholders to collaborate instead of criticizing the state government.
A small state that has had this problem for decades together. Instead of attacking your own government elected by the voters of Meghalaya, try to work together, try to find a point of synergy, a point of convergence, because in a crucial issue like border dispute, you can't have your own NGOs attacking your own government. So my message to them is, do not treat the government as a punching bag. We are here to perform, we are here to protect our people, and that is a sacred duty for us.
A cycle rally themed Ride for Recovery, Pedal for Prevention was held in Shillong to observe the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Organized by the Social Welfare Department Government of Meghalaya under the DREAM initiative in collaboration with Meghalaya Police and MAX, the rally aimed to raise awareness about drug-related issues. Commissioner Secretary Shri Praveen Bakshi flagged off the event at the State Convention Center in the presence of officials and dignitaries. Cyclists and bikers rode through the city to spread the message of prevention and recovery. The District Social Welfare Office and Sankalp Hub for Empowerment of Women in Tura observed the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking at Captain Williams School. Themed Breaking the Chains, Prevention, Treatment and Recovery for All, the event was graced by Chief Guest Srimati Florina Boro, ADC of Tura. Highlights included speech on legal and health aspects of drug prevention, cultural performances, and a prize distribution for a poster competition. Officials emphasized the need for community action, awareness, and recovery support to combat drug abuse and build a healthier society.
Display
Congratulations.
So I just want to, instruct or say, request you to kindly, maybe, you can monitor the students, their behavior, observe them day-to-day basis, so that you can help out at the very early stage, right?
The Rotary Club of Orchid City, Shillong unveiled a new road signage at the Meghalaya Bypass Junction to assist tourists and commuters. Inaugurated by Sukhminder Singh, District Governor of Rotary International District 3240, the initiative was funded entirely by club members. Club President Anthony War highlighted the importance of the signage in aiding travellers and thanked the PWD and local authorities for their cooperation. He also reaffirmed the club's commitment to community service and invited those in need to reach out for support.
Kani pat kahap akoi pakalo ka public image menta ning sai mensua long ile ki kammo ta handai long juran bok publicity ten kani pakalo kawai ru na kai lat long hi ong ni kadon ka Rotary Club ngi te long sibo ki dan ki brio ki la banan kam ki jingarap e ki la ban sa ki la ban approach ngi ru mo ile ki kum mala batai menek ki silutli ki area focus.
The International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking was observed in Ampati, Southwest Garo Hills at MFC Bado Hall through a joint initiative by the DLSA, Social Welfare Department and the District Hub for Empowerment of Women. Deputy Commissioner Srimati Hema Nayak attended the event as chief guest, highlighting the need for united efforts to tackle drug issues. The program featured legal and psychological insights, cultural performances and calls for stronger enforcement and community cooperation. The event emphasized awareness, prevention and recovery in the fight against substance abuse.
For us being from the
The Department of Arts and Culture on Thursday hosted the Rasong National Tribal Music Festival 2025 at the Sosotham Auditorium, Shillong. The event saw participation from 12 states celebrating the rich tapestry of tribal music. Arts and Culture Minister Paul Lingdor praised the festival as a powerful platform to spotlight under-recognized tribal traditions. He affirmed the government's commitment to not only sustain but expand the initiative, ensuring broader inclusion in future editions.
to rupees 1.15 crores. A land where agriculture
is both food for the soul and therapy for the mind. I'm sure that this year the festival will be celebrated with enthusiasm. As the state government, we are proud that in the Department of Arts and Culture, which was once considered a minor department,
as part of the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan campaign, an awareness program and friendly football match were organized at Kinshipulun by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment in collaboration with the State Social Welfare Department. The event aimed to educate youth on the harmful effects of drug abuse through sports engagement. Kinshi Maupanyan SC clinched a 2-1 win over Kinshi Maurya SC in an exciting match. Chief guest Sri Wildan Masar, BDO of Mauthat Raishan Block, along with district officials and community members, lauded the initiative for its impactful message. And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. Until we meet again tomorrow, thank you for watching. Good night.